All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania provides dependable residential roof repair in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, handling leaks, damaged shingles, flashing problems, and storm damage with reliable service homeowners trust for lasting roof protection. Homeowners count on All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania for honest residential roof repair solutions that help prevent costly damage. Our crew repairs missing shingles, roof leaks, and worn areas while improving your roof strength, appearance, and protection through every season. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a residential roof repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania. How do I know if my roof needs repair or full replacement? All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania recommends scheduling an inspection when shingles crack, leaks appear, or storm damage spreads. Minor issues need repair, while widespread problems often require replacement. Can a roof leak cause serious damage to my home? Yes, a roof leak can damage insulation, ceilings, attic spaces, walls, and flooring. All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania repairs leaks quickly to help homeowners avoid moisture problems indoors. What is the service area for your Carlisle, Pennsylvania location? Our residential roof repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Carlisle, Peach Glen, Shippensburg, Gardners, Walnut Bottom, Dillsburg, Mount Holly Springs, Boiling Springs, Grantham, Newville, Mechanicsburg, Plainfield, New Kingstown, Camp Hill, Enola, Summerdale, Blosserville, Schlosser, Wirtsville, and Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Carlisle, Pennsylvania residential roof repair office located? We are located at 417 Walnut Street, Carlisle, Pennsylvania 17013. Our phone number is 717-993-1409. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Carlisle-PA.